So guys, we will be really quick here, and I am showing you that there is a calculator folder here, and here is the main.py file in which we will be coding our calculator program. So here I will print first of all welcome to calculator, and here I will be taking an input from the user of this calculator that which which operation he want to perform. So here I will input and multiple lines I want to print. I will write here which operation do you want to perform, and I will list some operations as number 1 addition, number 2 subtraction, number 3 multiplication, and number 4 division. Here we will be making a simple calculator, so these four options should be are common in the simple calculator. So here we have the operation, and now we will execute some if statements as if operation as if operation is greater than 4, then print error and exit the program. Here it will exit the program, and for a better practice I will write integer here, so it will get the input in the integer. So we will run our Python file, and it will take the input, and it has taken the input. Okay, so if I give input greater than 4, then it gives an error and exits the program. So here we are. Here we have to take we have to do some we have to take some numbers. We will take input first number, and here we will take input as please enter first number, and we will copy this and paste it here and rename the variable name second number, and we will write here please enter second number. So as these second number are entered, and so we will be showing here if operation equals to 1, as the user selects option 1, and so it will print B by adding, and we get answer. And so in these brackets we will be doing some, after that we will write dot format, and here we will write first number, second number, first number plus second number. So here it will be here it is. And now we will run our Python file and we have 145 plus 5. So 45 and 5 we get answer 4.5. It's a big error. Oh my god. It's a big error. So here okay. I have to get the answer in integer as they are coming in string, so it's a big mistake here. Okay, now we will save it here and run our Python file again. Try number 1, 45 and 5 again, and we answer 50. Okay, here it is. And I think so that we should have printed here and that you have choose the operation number format and operation. Here we will be writing operation and here it is. And let me zoom out. Yes. And here we will be doing that. I will copy this so that I do not have to write it over and over again. And if operation is equals to 2, then first it's subtraction here, so I will be subtracting here, and again control V, multiplication here, so I will be multiplying here, and if operation is equal to 3, and I will choose division as number 4 is divide here. So okay, here are the operation. Let's test it. Run our Python file. Let's choose multiplication 45 and again 5, and the answer is 225. Okay, the 225 is answers. Here the calculator is working properly. So we will add some we will correct some errors here. So we will be doing here that we will exit the program here. Let me exit it, and the program will exit here. And here I will cut it, and I will use else statement here and then print it here. Indentation, and here it is. Run my Python file. Okay. Again some errors. What? Okay, it is running. Number 3. You have to go number 3. Here I can here I think that it will rise an error if I add the first number as 7 plus I. Here it is. In very literal for integer and it is in value error. So we will be writing here try and accept value error as E and please enter correct value. So and we will also exit it here. So the program will be exited here. Okay. The program will be exited here and then Python file again. Number 3, you have choose operation number 3 and again I will write 7 plus I. Please enter correct value and the program will exit here. So till here I have corrected many errors. So here it is our simple calculator and I think that we should get the exception in the overall code. So we will try and try this code and I will select it from here. Give indentation. I am just correcting it and errors in so many lines. I think it's just corrected, but now we will also have to write accept exception as E2 and print an unknown error occurred. So till here I have made this calculator almost perfect and we will be writing here multiplication and let's do a fun with this calculator that we will write dozens of nines as the first number and dozens of nine as the second number and I will hit enter and the multiplication it will done is absolutely mind-blowing. It is very complex calculation that a simple calculator can't be made. But this is of course this is PC and this can do this complex calculations. So here it is our simple calculator, but we should have made it by object-oriented programming. So I will make this by object-oriented programming again.